We're here at the Pepsi Center in Denver, Colorado. Hello, I'm Jim Houston with Craig Simpson, welcoming you to an exciting matchup between the Colorado Avalanche and the New Jersey Devils. These two teams met in the 2001 Stanley Cup playoffs, Craig.
That's right, Jim. And Colorado won the series 4-3. And their goalie, Patrick Waugh, went on to win his third Conn Smythe Trophy as the playoffs' most valuable player.
Get down to center ice for the opening face-off. Face-off won by Nathan. Colorado takes possession. Nathan, saved by Jake. It's picked up by Dylan. A one-on-one battle. Martin. Quick shot. Jake made the save. Scooped up by Colorado. He steals the puck. Arturo. Shoots it quickly. Just missed the net. Jumped on by Colorado. Another quick shot. Just wide of the net. It's corralled by Arturo.
Run!
He gets laid out. Tim, he carries it to center. Catch in front. And he stopped that and he hangs on.
He is one of the best body checkers in the league, and you can see how he explodes through that check.
The ref is signaling for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Devils. Backhanded shot from the right. He misses Nikolai. He turned the puck over. Casey. The save. Jonathan. One-timer. Fired the puck just wide of the net. Andre Nikolai. Darcy. He moves it into the attacking zone. Fires it from the slot. Casey. Jonathan. He's into the attacking zone. Valeri. He scores. Halfway through the first, they got the game's first goal. That was a very smart play by our hosts.
He knew there was going to be a rebound on the shot, and he got to the puck before anyone else could.
No sign of the tough defense here in the first period.
Colorado goal.
Brett.
Scored by number 37.
Eric comes in offside.
Number 13, Valero. And by number 49, Sang.
About to drop the puck. Face-off won by corralled by Colorado. They gain the blue line on the attack.
This guy's as sound as they come and keeps his team ahead by one.
Kyle clears it safely out. Bruce Jake made the save. We're ready for the face-off. Justin won the draw. Pat takes possession of the puck. Quick shot! Saved by Jake. And he hangs onto the puck for the whistle. They're getting ready for the face-off. Devils win the face-off once more. Calvin. Joel. Joel fired it from deep in the slot. Grabbed by Colorado. Logan. One-time shot. It goes wide. It's picked up by Pat. Delayed penalty coming up. Hard shot. No. Nathan will get the gate for interference.
Interference may only hold up a player for half a step, but that half a step can make all the difference.
You can see that the coach isn't very happy about this call at all. Colorado will try and take advantage of a penalty here.
Well, we haven't seen the power play yet tonight, but we know they're going to be a handful.
Great skill on that first unit. Just wide of the goal. Martin. And another shot. Jake stoned him cold. Dylan clears it down the ice. Paul dumps the puck in. Calvin. Here come the Avalanche with a real urgency in their attack. And play is whistled down for the offside. The puck is about to be dropped. Face-off won by Eric. The puck is grabbed by the Devils. Cleared down the ice by Doug. Puck grabbed by Devin. Jonathan. Avalanche take possession. Sam. Turned over in the neutral zone. It's one-on-one. Backhander just missed the net. Picked up by Colorado. Shot the puck.
And he kept his team close here late in the first with that save.
Calvin snaps the shot. That one's sent wide of goal. Colorado is 0 for 1 with the man advantage as the penalty expires. Justin dumps it. It's cleared by Calvin. And the linesman calls icing. Jake saw the wrist shot coming, but it got deflected wide, and I'm not too sure if he had anything to do with it. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the deck. One time from the slot. Under 2 minutes to go in this first period. The shots are 11-3 for Colorado. It's 2-on-1. Quick shot from the left. Brett, quickly another shot. Evan behind the net. And time winds down as the first period comes to an end with the score 1-0. Is ahead 1-0 as we get the second period underway. About to drop the puck. Jack won the draw. One-timed it. He scores, and here in the second they've tied it up.
This goal was all set up by the pass. Without that feed, there's no way he would have found the back of the net.
Under 5 minutes into the second, and they've tied the game.
Now they've got a chance to play their game and really go on the offensive.
Number 28, Tim, assisted by
New Jersey is really out hitting them here in the second. Delayed call. He's getting called for high sticking.
Now he's not thrilled with the penalty call, but he's only got himself to blame.
We're ready for the face-off. The shots are 11-4 for Colorado. Kyle cleared it down the ice.
for high sticking.
Jack behind the net. Brad. A one-on-one battle. Shoots the puck on the right. Calvin. Andre. Shot. He blocked it. That's a great play. Grabbed by New Jersey. Just missed the net. Kyle. Andre. Another shot. Fearlessly blocked. Kyle. Nikolai. Shoots the puck on the left. Kyle. One-timer. Calvin. Blake covers up for the whistle.
He'll be getting up and looking for the number of that truck.
They're getting ready for the face-off. Face-off won by Pat. Taken by Paul. He picks off the puck. Heavy shot right on. Blocked in front of the net. It's cleared down the ice by Devon. New Jersey is 0 for 1 with the man advantage as the penalty expires. And the linesman calls icing as the puck crosses the line.
How do you like this guy's shooting percentage? That's not bad. 1 shot, 1 goal. Let's see if he can go 2 for 2. Why not?
The faceoff goes to the Devils. Fired in hard from the slot. And he hangs on. The Devils are one of the fastest skating teams in the league, and as a result, they're a tough team to check.
You're bang on, Jim. They always hit the lines with speed. If you're not ready, they'll fly right past you.
Delay penalty coming up for Colorado. One-time shot. He gets called for cross-checking.
Now that's a penalty, no question. Both hands on the stick as he sends his man flying.
New Jersey will go on the power play once again. They weren't able to capitalize on their penalty. Let's see if they can do it here. Puck cleared out by Devon. Jack. Nikolai. Into the corner he goes. It's corralled by Jack. Brad. Blake freezes the puck. Blake looked really sharp. That was a great save. The puck is about to be dropped. The faceoff goes to the Devils. And he hangs on to the puck.
His fillings are going to rattle with that hit. He would pound it.
Ref is signaling for the faceoff. Faceoff won by Pat. New Jersey takes possession. Out they come to center. Darcy, he turned the puck over. New Jersey has it now. Paul. Cleared down the ice by Moose. New Jersey is now 0 for 2 on the power play. Behind the net. Thomas. Thomas. He steals the puck. Alva gets checked. Jake hangs on for the whistle.
Jim, this guy loves to pick goalies apart.
He's a true marksman.
Hey, you put him in the slot with a puck and he scores 9 out of 10. It doesn't matter who's in goal.
The faceoff goes to the Devils. Casey. Casey, out of the net, shoots the puck. Taken by New Jersey. They move it out. And the puck's over the line onto the attack. With a wrist shot, he scores! And they're up by 1 before the second intermission.
He's a bull in a china shop. Hey, this man often scores goals on brute strength alone.
New Jersey wants to start the third period up by 1.
With time running off the clock, they need to focus on their defense for a little longer.
Valeri shoots the puck, and he whistled it wide at the net. Corralled by Luke. He has his pocket picked. Valeri. Casey gets away a hard shot.
And he denies the equalizer here late in the second. Nice save.
Shot shot. That's blocked and didn't get through. Thunderous hit into the board. New Jersey desperate. Less than 2 minutes to go in the second period. It's dumped in by Nathan. Here come the Avalanche as they move out of their own zone. The shots are 12-11 for Colorado. Gets another save. It's taken by Valeri. Arturo. Nathan Blasts it from deep in the slot. The horn signals the end of the second. 2-1 the score as we head for the intermission. New Jersey is ahead 2-1, and we get started with the third period. About to drop the puck. Arturo. The shots are 13-12 for New Jersey. Up now, he just dumps the puck in. And it's moved into the attacking zone. One-timer! Fired the puck just wide to the net. Devon. The puck crosses the line, and that's icing. We're ready for the face-off. The face-off goes to the Avalanche. Jake made the save. Jumped on by Jonathan. Casey, and he carries it into the zone. Turned aside by Jake. Dylan. Finds it. Sam tried to clear it. Couldn't. Colorado takes possession of the puck. Butler turned over. Colorado takes possession. He shoots! Hit the man in front of the net. Darcy. Nikolai. It's man against man. Casey. And it's carried into the attacking zone. Shoots on the right. Andre. Now he takes it into the neutral zone. Darcy. Blake with a stick save. Cleared out by Calvin. And that's icing. Can't say enough about what this guy adds to the team.
Well, you see so many forwards these days that only play one way, but not this guy. He understands it's just as important to prevent goals as it is to score them.
Shoots the puck. Calvin. Blake covers up. Blake does a good job stopping the shot.
A wrist shot is more accurate than a slap shot. You don't need much space to put him in.
Good shot. He scores! That might do it. They're up by 2 in the middle of the third.
When the puck finds its way onto this guy's stick, it's usually in the back of the net a short time later. He's always making things happen.
Time's running out for a comeback.
Jim, it's about time to start taking some chances. Haven't got anything to lose.
Scored by number 50.
Stefano dumps the puck in.
Assisted by number 11.
Jack.
Stefano.
Fires it just wide of the goal. Picked up by Colorado. Shoots quickly. Brett. Jake covers up for the whistle. New Jersey has picked this defense apart tonight.
They've used crisp, quick passes to exploit holes in coverage. Made the most of their chances. That's been the difference offensively.
Shoots! One-timed it! And he hangs onto the puck for the whistle. Blake can really handle the puck.
He gets out of his crease in a hurry and tracks down the dump-ins. Now that's such a huge asset because it forces the other team to try to carry it in.
The faceoff goes to the Avalanche. Arturo takes control. Quick shot! Jake turned
by number 62, Arturo.
Calvin grabbed it.
Shoots it quickly. He scores. Another quick goal, and they tie the game. That puck was wired in the back of the net. He got all of that slap shot.
And the Devils take possession. Dumped in by Justin.
Arturo, assisted by number 8, Calvin.
Kyle tried to clear it. Couldn't. Picked off. Paul. Kyle. He moves it to center. He coughed the puck out. It's dumped in by Nathan. Paul. One-time shot. He misses. Kyle. Here come the Avalanche as they move out of their own zone. Pat. Nathan. Arturo. Down to the final 2 minutes of this third period. One-timed it. It's picked up by Calvin. Jack takes over.
In the third period.
Brad, and he carries the puck to center. Under a minute to go in the third. Brad. Taken by NewJersey. A wraparound. In front. That's stopped and he hangs on for a faceoff.
Now that was a big hit, folks. He just barrels right through him with a tremendous hit.
They're getting ready for the faceoff. Stefano. Thomas. Eric. Behind the net. Valeri. Now he's into the attacking zone. Colorado with it. Jake stones him cold. It looked like it might get past him.
Not that time.
The puck is about to be dropped. Into the last 10 seconds of the third. Casey gets one-timed it.
That was a game saver. What an amazing save to keep this game even.
Jake is still in his first season, and he will make mistakes.
Oh, sure, Jim. But he seems to be learning from those mistakes, and that's what's encouraging.
Face-off won by Nathan.
If you wanted things to heat up, you got your wish. OT is coming up.
The ref is signaling for the faceoff. The Avalanche win yet another faceoff. Puck picked up by Nathan. Fires one right on. Brad grabs the puck. Right in front. Blake made the save. Here come the Avalanche as they move out of their own zone. Nathan goes offside and the play is stopped. About to drop the puck. Face-off won by Nathan. Devon dumped the puck in. From behind the net.
on that shot is so quick. The goalie barely had time to react to the shot. Nice goal.
Here are tonight's 3 stars of the game.
Tonight's third star, New Jersey number 11, Stefano. Tonight's second star, Colorado number 62, Arturo. And tonight's first star for New Jersey number 86, Jack.
From Denver, Colorado, this is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson.
Until next time, take care.
Goodbye.